Hey, how's it going? I wanted to do just a follow-up video on the carpet, seaming two carpet pieces together. And I don't know if you could see it. I'll come down a little closer. I cannot tell you where they seam together easily. Works great in a high pile carpet like this. It's basically what they do in a house when they're putting in carpet for a house. They use that tape when they have to go through a doorway or something like that. You can see on this side though, for whatever reason, the carpets weren't quite the same length. So I guess if you were in the middle of a room, you'd have to keep adjusting it till you had the same length. In this case, this is going to be a sofa. Over there is going to be sitting on top of this. So it doesn't actually matter to us, but what's kind of cool is you can see right there's the seam. But you get up here, you can't even see it. So that carpet tape worked great. I only sewed a little bit of it. Let's see if I can kind of flip it over here. So I sewed just the beginning of it. It's not coming apart. I mean, you can tell. But I sewed just a little bit of it, and then probably right about here. And then I switched over to that seam tape, and then went over this whole area with seam tape. And zoom out a little here so you can see it. So there's one giant carpet made out of two carpets. So kind of a cool hack, especially if you need a really big carpet. You could cut the carpet, I guess. I don't think I would do that because it might start unraveling if you're trying to get a specific size. But hopefully that helps somebody find out how to do it, and you can kind of see the results end up looking great. Like on this edge here, again, can't see it at all. I think the seam is there. Let's see. No, actually I missed it. The seam's right here. This is not the seam. The seam's actually over here. So, kind of weird. I would almost have thought the seam was like right in this little groove, but it's actually over here. So, there you go. All right, hope that helps someone.